In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix formatting errors in your Mailchimp campaign efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with email marketing, understanding how to tweak and polish your campaign can make all the difference. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your campaign in the Mailchimp editor. This is your control center where all the modifications will take place. Take a moment to navigate through and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it before. Once your campaign is open, look for the text block that requires fixing. Clicking on the specific text block will bring up the text editor toolbar, which is your gateway to making all sorts of changes. Now that you have the toolbar open, you can use it to correct any issues regarding formatting, spelling, and grammar. The toolbar is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, offering options for everything from font selection to alignment and bullet points. As you adjust the text, you might notice the spelling and grammar check features, which are invaluable for ensuring your message is clear and professional. Sometimes, however, the basic tools just don't cut it, especially if you're aiming for a more customized or technical correction. For these advanced fixes, you'll want to switch to the HTML view. This can be a bit daunting if you're not familiar with coding, but don't worry. Mailchimp's HTML editor allows you to see and edit the underlying code that dictates how your email appears. With this tool, you can tweak nuances in your formatting that the standard editor might not capture. Once you've made all the necessary updates and corrections, the next step is to preview your email. It is crucial to ensure that everything appears correctly before moving forward. The preview feature will give you a clear picture of how your recipients will view your email on various devices and email clients. Take this time to scrutinize the entire email for any lingering formatting issues or errors that might have slipped through. Finally, after reviewing your changes through the preview, ensure that you save your updates. This is a vital step because losing any of your modifications could mean starting from scratch. Once saved, it's time to conduct a test send of your campaign. Sending a test email to yourself or a colleague allows you to experience the email as a recipient would. This is your chance to check for any last-minute discrepancies and make sure everything from images to links works perfectly. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've transformed your Mailchimp campaign into a polished and professional communication tool. So take advantage of these tips and ensure your future campaigns reflect the quality and attention to detail that your audience deserves. Thank you for watching.